So we're about to do a walkthrough right now. But ish, we can't walk through the doors together, bro, because if not me and you,
we're gonna get stuck.
That's it. It feels, even with me and Jeff, bro, it's all right, bro. We're like team 100 right here. Think about it. Jeff's is the 1, you're the 0, and I'm a 0. Team 100, bro. All right, let's stop messing around. Let's get after it. It shouldn't laugh on that one. So it's newly remodeled in here. This is a duplex, right? Sounds really echoey.
It's a duplex, but it does have a junior ADU attached to the home.
Oh shoot. You can like literally like even rent this space out right here too.
Yeah.
Like if like somebody really wanted to house hack this house, they can say, hey, we're just gonna rent this spot right here, you know, rent it out and get some income out of it.
This would be a great property if it was right next to a university.
Yeah, it would have. Yeah, because that one has its own restroom. I mean, this is like a dining area, I guess, right? Let's see what they got over here. Kitchen, we don't really got to worry about kitchen. We got 2 bedrooms. Oh, this is where we're gonna get a little tight here. It's getting a little tight here. Yeah, so we got the 2 bedrooms here. Okay. Nice. So I mean, even if you really wanted to, like, you can have a shared kitchen.
Yeah. So the property does sit on over 11,000 square feet.
So it's like a 1/4 acre or a little over a 1/4 acre. So this is the junior ADU.
Junior ADU that is attached to the home.
Okay.
So this is the bedroom. It's bathroom. And then, of course, the kitchen.
Kitchen, living room area. So this is pretty cool. Like you can, in Baldwin Park, you can probably rent something like this out for, I mean, it has the kitchen, little living room, full restroom. It has the room there. I mean, I'm thinking like 1,500.
I think easy.
Yeah, easy, right? Yeah. 1,500 to 1,800.
And I know it doesn't have the best upgrades, but it does have upgrades.
Yeah.
It's not luxurious, but yeah, it is upgraded.
And then it has its own entrance, so which is super cool. It has its own entrance.
And we missed the garage, but it is directly attached to the garage as well. Okay. And it also has a super long driveway, so you can park multiple cars here.
Yeah, I like that. Like, I mean, eventually, like, you can have like a storage back there for the other unit. You could even do like another storage there. You can still have family over. That can be like your little front yard. I know Jeff likes to have parties in his front yard, so there you go. Right, same here. You can have a little fiesta right here. Yeah. Earlier they're playing cumbias.
Cumbias?
Probably.
I can smell the carne that they're making.
The carne?
Smells
good.
We're
hungry, bro.
We're hungry. We haven't ate lunch. So that would be the main house there, and then it is attached to the garage, and then that's the junior ADU. It has a separate entrance, as you guys can see, and then this here is going to be the unit in the back.
Yeah, this is like this is the actual duplex, right?
Yeah.
This is the second unit.
Totally detached.
Yeah, 100% detached, so that's good. They put in some money here. I mean, we know we haven't talked about price, but the price is $1,725,000.
Correct.
Which is a little high, right?
It's up there.
It's up there, but you're thinking of like, hey, I can get 1,800 there. I mean, this is practically like a 3-bedroom back here. Mm-hmm. Like you can rent this out for 2,500, 2,700, maybe 3,000 in the area.
It's a pretty decent sized kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so it has a good sized kitchen. This could be an office space, or I mean, if you really needed a space, like you can easily turn this into a 3rd bedroom, right?
Yeah, just put some doors up. You could use it either as an office, like Robert said, or a 3rd bedroom.
I did it again, bro. I had my sunglasses on the whole time. Nobody even told me anything.
I didn't even notice. I didn't notice.
Y'all letting me walk around with sunglasses on my eyes when we're inside the house. You're gonna be like, this guy's a douchebag, man.
Yeah, so this would be the bathroom.
My wife hates that word, by the way. So we got a full bath, and then we got what?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms. This one have a restroom?
This one has a restroom as well. This would be the master of the unit back
there. Yeah, bro, this is easily like 2,800. Like let's say you can rent both of them out, these 2, for 1,800 and 2,700. Let's just say that, just to make the math a little bit easier. So that's 4,500. So if you have the money, like it's gonna make sense if you want to live in the front one, or even rent the front one out. And that one could be another 3,000 probably.
I think it definitely makes sense. I know the price is up there, but I mean, you're getting 2 sources of income, if not 3, if you're not, if you're gonna use it as an investment property and not live here, that's pretty good.
Yeah, because you think about it, like 7,500 potential income. I mean, I could even say like 8,000 probably. Now, it's not gonna make sense for an investor that that's going to come down with 20%, right?
Right.
You think about all the people who reach out to us on Instagram and they're saying, hey, you know, I want a duplex, I want a multi-unit. It sounds pretty, but it's not for everybody.
Yeah.
Because they're going to have to come in with a pretty good amount here.
They are.
Yeah, and I think this one's going to go down. It's going to have to.
Yeah.
At 1.725, it's a little too high.